What's up guys? In this video, we're gonna go over how to connect the RayNeo Air 3S to a PlayStation 5, and also a couple tips that I think will make the experience a lot better. Let's get started. The first thing we'll need is a special HDMI adapter. This is what we're gonna use to hook up the glasses to the PlayStation. This is different than a typical HDMI adapter because it's got HDMI-Source to USB Type-C display out, which is what the glasses need to display the picture. You're gonna need to plug in a 5-volt 1 amp supply in order to power this adapter. Let's go ahead and get it connected to the PlayStation 5. So we'll go ahead and take our adapter and plug in the glasses output. So the display plugs into one side of the glasses. It's gonna plug in there, and then we'll plug this into the PlayStation, and then take the other end and plug it into the port on the glasses. Now we'll take the 5-volt power, plug it into one of the USBs on the PlayStation. You could also use an external supply if you prefer to do that, and you're gonna wanna plug that into the adapter. So actually I'll make it easier to show. Unplug, plug that in. Now the adapter is plugged in, and you should be able to see your PlayStation screen on your glasses. And there you go, the PlayStation is now projecting through the glasses. Here's my final tip to make the experience much, much better. Go to your settings, go down to screen and video, go to screen, and then adjust display area. As I mentioned in my review, it's a little tricky to see the corners when you're using the full-size display, so you can actually make it about 25% smaller, and now everything is perfectly within view. Makes it a lot easier to see all of the minimap and other options in games. All right, that's pretty much it. I definitely recommend lowering the screen size in order to make the screen look a little better. I think you can do the same on the Nintendo Switch, but if you have any questions at all, leave it down in the comments and I'll answer as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching.